Hello my beautiful souls! Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So, we have here the Emperor and the Six of Cups. Oh, Tower and the Nine of Pentacles. The Ace of Swords and the Five of Pentacles. Ace of Cups and the Knight of Wands. So, yung bottom card, Five of Wands. So, okay. So, ayan. So, may specific sign tayo dito ng strong Aries. So, itong taong ito na inuna yung init ng ulo niya. Ayan. So, ngayon, lulunukin nitong taong to yung pride niya eh. Kasi this person is now missing you. So, kung naman yung nangyari dito sa tower energy nito, yung mga nasira or yung hindi magandang nangyari before na nagpaiyak sa'yo or parehas kayo. Ayan. So, kasi pinaunahan niya yung ano niya eh, init ng ulo niya, ganyan. So, tingnan natin anong message ng Archangel natin. So, ngayon mukha naman kasing kumalma na siya. So, kumbaga yung nangyari is out of anger lang. Pero nung kumalma naman siya, para nagsisi siya sa mga nasabi niya sa'yo. Brilliant idea by Archangel Uriel. Yes, your idea is divinely guided. Please take action to bring your idea to fruition. Okay. So, tingnan natin sa mga signs and symbol cards natin. Mukha kasi nag-walk away din tong taon to after nangyari. Nila ka na rin niyang iniwan. So, nahulog tong card natin na open book and mirror. Kasi dahil sa galit niya, nag-walk away siya eh. Ayan, lighthouse, deep well, mountain and teddy bear. Bird bottom card natin. Okay, so mukhang yun na yun, huling pag-uusap ninyo. Parang sinabi niya sa'yo, malaya ka na, gawin yung gusto mo, mga ganyan. So, mukhang pinapalaya ka na niya, ganyan. So, kumbaga break up, ganyan. So, tingnan natin. Anong message natin dito sa mga tarot messages? Oracle cards. Pero with this Ace of Swords natin, tsaka Ace of Cups. So, ayan, mukhang gusto niya ng second chance nitong taon to, new beginning with you. Pero bukod dyan, may another energy pa rin kasi ng new person dito na maaaring may nakilala ka ng bago. Money is important. You're my wish come true. I have multiple opportunities. Pero for some of you, mukhang inuuna nyo itong nagpapakasaya kayo ngayon sa ine-enjoy nyo yung pagiging malaya nyo. So, inuuna nyo itong mga opportunities na to. You're my inspiration. Please accept my cup of love. Moving forward, crying over you, feeling lost, and I want a family with you. So, ngayon, ayan, gusto pa rin niya i-offer tong cup of love na to. Kasi mukhang nadala lang nga talaga siya ng galit, sama ng loob, kung ano man to. Powerful and discipline. So, ngayon gusto niya lumapit ulit sa'yo to start again. And, tingnan natin. Ayan, kasi gusto niya magkabati na kayo ngayon eh. So, lalo na kung mirroring kayo, parehas kayo na gusto mangyari to, nahihirapan kayo parehas, at still open book pa naman. So, with this lighthouse, parang sa inyo pa rin yung daan is patungo pa rin sa isa't isa, ganyan sa inyong dalawa. So, I couldn't let you get close to me. I know I was a distraction from your pain. You speak to me through music. you and I were too young. Siguro nangyari to or nagkakilala kayo, mga bata pa kayo. Kaya may mga immature energy para na with this teddy bear energy card natin. I want to tell you how I feel. I hope that you can forgive me one day. So, ayan o. Gusto niya talaga magkabati na kayo. And you came closer than anyone. I wish I had treated you better. So, yung bottom card, can't stop thinking about you. So, lagi ka pa rin iniisip itong taong to. So, kuha tayo ng initials. JD. SB. Letter A. F. Letter G, H, Z, N, letter K. Letter E, bottom card natin. So, let's see sa ating blue card, separation. Guilty. And past life lover. So, yan, maaaring past life, marami na kayong past life na pinagsamahan nitong taong to. Kaya, ganun na lang yung parang separation anxiety. Ayan. So, nagkaroon siya ng separation anxiety. Kaya ngayon, parang gusto niya nang lunukin yung pride niya to win you back. And, tingnan natin sa general signs and messages. Visayas. Lake. So, keywords na lang to. Hindi na natin kailangan i-explain more. So, we have here long distance. Friendly. February. Selfie-holic. Aquarius sign. Neighbor. Full of charisma. Party animal. November. Hilarious. City. Shy at first. May twin flame, energy, plastic persons around you, ayan, and responsible. National Capital Region, number 10, Chaser, and so ngayon maghahabol yan sa'yo ngayon. Sexy body, Gemini, intelligent, and perfect smile. So, another mirror card. Bottom card. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.